Human rights groups in the United States have sharply condemned Nigerian President Bola Tinubu for equating the Indigenous People of Biafra, known as IPOB, with the terrorist group Boko Haram. In a joint statement, 3 U.S.-based organizations advocate for victims of injustice and discrimination. Rising Sun and Ambassadors for Self-Determination called President Tinubu's remarks reckless and inflammatory. The group pointed out that IPOB's legal case is currently before Nigerian Supreme Court, with its leader Nnamdi Kanu fighting for his life in court. They warned that the president's comments are subjudice and appear designed to intimidate the judiciary and skew public opinion. The group said this continues a troubling pattern of ethnic persecution that has shifted from former President Buhari's Fulani-dominated government to Tinubu's Yoruba-led administration. Criticizing the president for targeting IPOB, a peaceful self-determination movement, they say he has ignored the greater security threat posed by armed Fulani militias terrorizing communities nationwide. The statement called on the U.S. Congress and Department of State to release President Tinubu's immigration, criminal, financial, and educational records to ensure transparency. It also urged the Canadian government to label Nigerians' ruling APC and PDP parties as terrorist organizations, citing a Canadian court ruling linking these parties to electoral violence and militia activity. The human rights group demanded the immediate and unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu, stressing that persecution will not weaken his influence or the Igbo nation's resilience. They concluded by appealing to the international community to condemn Tinubu's remarks and hold Nigerians' ruling elites accountable for ethnic persecution disguised as security measures.